The nice thing about working with 4 viewports is you can make visual correlations immediately. You can see things from all sides all at once. But I usually work with 1 viewport maximized so I can see things in greater detail. And then when I want to look at the object from another angle, I'll swap out the viewport. And you can do that from the viewport menu by using the Views submenu. There are 6 orthogonal viewports that we can choose from: front, back, top, bottom, left, and right. I'll discuss what user means in a few moments. But instead of having to come into this menu, there's a quicker way of accessing these orthogonal viewports. Many of those viewports have keyboard shortcuts, but not all of them do. For example, T is for top, and B is for bottom. L is for left, but there is no shortcut for right. Instead, the R key executes the scale command. Remember, W, E, and R? So for that reason, I don't tend to use the right viewport much. F is for front, but there is no back shortcut. Of course, you can access it from the viewport menu, but I almost never do. P is for perspective. So what does user mean, anyway? A user view gets generated if you rotate an orthogonal viewport. To see what I mean, I'll go into the left viewport and then arc rotate. As soon as I do that, the label says user, and it's still an axonometric view. It's not in perspective. All of the dimensions are equal, and nothing gets smaller in the distance. So it can be good for modeling, but it's not how we see. Switch to perspective to get a more realistic look at your object.